Hi, my name is Raymond. I'm the owner of Pro Image Gutters. Since 1994, Pro Image Gutters has maintained an A+ Better Business Bureau rating. And also since 2002, we have won the Consumer Choice Award, so we get things done. Alu-Rex has come out with a new design called the DoublePro. The vortex system they've designed helps drain your gutters even better. It actually pulls the water through the system, which does not allow any debris to fall through. The DoublePro Alu-Rex has a lifetime warranty, so it will be clog-free, and the material itself is lifetime warranty, so you'll never have to replace it again. By far the best system out there, and I recommend it to all my customers.